This door, out of back door. Right, man. Yeah. This city, any other way are dirt.
Dirt.
Dirty.
This city, we not pretty.
That
No
time.
time, we not pretty. Hot jug, you know.
Kill and collect.
Smoke and forget.
Alright,
Self-employed with a rifle and a handgun.
Remember me tell you.
I know it, and all of my friends them are murderer. Cut it there.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Country girl, country boy, 306, J.A. man, rebel, nuclear rasta, big up on yourself. Remember, I got the Patreon page up and running. Give me some ideas about this. I guess you can get all the raw footage, but we can't put on YouTube over there. So check that out. Check out the WhatsApp group. Check out the membership section. You understand? I'm working on it. Now, respect to all the subscribers and non-subscribers. Everybody who follow Countryman. I really appreciate it. And I am thinking about setting up a prize. Give us some money when we reach the next milestone. I haven't thought about it yet in terms of how much money and what me I gonna do. But may I give us something to some of my subscribers then. Cause wanna really help me. Now, with that said, wanna see the video in front of you. What the hell is going on in Jamaica? I need to find out what is going on in Jamaica with these. Yo, we not even know if I call them man. No, that boy there, that one you saw on the right, look on the man's face. Man look like him have skin cancer. Them bleach out them face and then them lip black. Now, if you look like a damn clown, my yo. G-City and the king of clown badness. The man them actually look like a bozo. The damn clown. Now, you think none of my brethren them could have stand up beside me and look like this? I'm not say nothing to them. Or if me look like this, would I like my friend them, family for say, yo, countryman. No, sir. To me, this is a disrespect to me as a man, dog. A black Jamaican man. We have to go through so much thing in our country. From the dirty politician them and police, I go for say politician. You cross police and politician, you get politician. Makes sense. The thief in government, the classism, and then we have to deal with racism and prejudice when you leave your country and migrate abroad. And look how much thing we have to go through as black men. And then them idiot here degrade will struggle, dog. Now, if this are the legacy Vybz Kartel I leave on Jamaica, to me it's a big problem. Now, Assault Spring them come from G-City gang or where them want name. And me hear that ugly brother there. Cause also Squash look, Squash ugly. The man look like Captain Caveman. You ever watch that cartoon there? Straight up. The Captain Caveman say, Captain Caveman. And then Caveman have some young people around him with them help solve case. And the girl say, come on, KV Wavy. Do it for us, KV. And then him say, Captain Caveman. And him have a Squash look. Man, them ugly dog. Man, them ugly, yo. This is a big disrespect. Me hear Politics Watch. I talk about G-City. I miss the G-City gang. I miss Shabdan. Cause I guess him name Shabba and the other boy named Dan. And them our studio. But I them thing of the man, them are pre-dog. This is a big time shame and disgrace. That boy upon the right look like Squash brother, but we know Squash brother get fling away. And Sir Pierre say Shabdan do it. So Squash had the music with Shabdan. G-City them. I don't understand it, but anyways. Yeah, back to them youth, yeah. Look upon the man them. And look at the man them say. Them say, boy, we not pretty. I slap you and collect money, smoke and forget. Bleach out, killers. Yo, B. The man them are some clown. And that's why I see people are deal with them, the police them are deal with them. You know, some clown. That's a big disrespect to me as a black man. You understand? We know enough people might look upon it like it's funny and it's kind of funny, but at the same time, they take this as a blood clot disrespect, dog. And bleach out blood clot face, boy, them dog. Them know hard. Me have to work in a life for my credibility and as a black man, dog. And them tomato, yeah. Look upon them. Eh? I bet you anything them boy are dead already. Police must have already killed them or them friend kill them off. You understand? Now some tomato my youth for really a disrespect the country and our culture like this. It's a shame and disgrace. And if this are the legacy when Vibes Cartel and leave upon the youth them, it's a big shame because is a you talented, you know, and in music, him hit the level in music where, but him for using music for better thing, because when you sing about Salt Spring, we ain't going nowhere, any weather, better weather, whatever the hell he must sing about, G-City weather, you know what I say? A joke thing. And I can't sit down here so and see them thing here and not talk about it. Them thing here, idiot thing, I wanna look my youth. I wanna clean up on myself if I'm not dead already and they're prison and get myself together. But in a scammer, you understand? On a pussy hole, straight up, all I know. Yo, my name Countryman. Remember, for like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification button. Yo, me not lie. Me I look for them youth, yeah, and me just want to cuss up pure dirty bad road, dog. Yo, me want to tell them what all and them mother, but yo, me I go tone it down still. You understand? Like me say, Countryman different, you understand? This is a big disgrace. And me don't know where I go on to Jamaica, but me know where I go on to Jamaica. The problem with Jamaica, we have emulated the American culture and the American lifestyle. and the country cannot facilitate that kind of capitalism and democracy. Me know it sounds political, and what's going on in Jamaica is going on all over the Caribbean, from Guyana to Trinidad. You understand? Living this American lifestyle and trying to look white, trying to get rich off whatever easy lifestyle, and that's what it is. It's the emulation of what they see on TV and that culture. And the biggest problem is small countries like Jamaica and Trinidad and them place there, them not have the things in place to facilitate these kind of lifestyle and these kind of system. You understand? Them not have the right social structure. Them not have the right financial structure. Them not have the right educational structure. Them not have the right government structure. Them not have the right political structure. Them not have the right policing structure. Them not have the right education structure. Yo, me can't just go on. I sound like a preacher, my youth. But that's what it is. And the product, we are reap, this is the benefit we are reap. Them bleach out boy, clown badness. G-City gangster them are the king of clown badness. And it makes sense. You see Shop done. I take picture with Mars and all them things. Look, G-City are clown badness. But yeah, that's the problem. The whole of Jamaica turn clown to blood clot. Yo, countryman, I'm out, yo. Check out the Patreon page and the WhatsApp group. Country Squad, big